Giving you morning kisses. Should we say morning, afternoon nap? Kids, oh, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Like this, Rocco. Mouth closed. Not open. Close your mouth. No, close your mouth. Close your mouth like this. No. You're silly, Rocco, like this. Max, he might not want to give any more kisses. He might not want to give any more kisses. Oh, you want more kisses? He's taking a nap. He's taking a nap. Max. Rocco wants more kisses. Oh. I don't think he wants to give any more kisses.
But
Thanks, Max.